Hey guys, this is Soccer King over here, and this is my first video on YouTube, and it's actually not like my video. I made it because all my favorite YouTubers reaction on their pack opening, and my first video is gonna come out tomorrow, and I'm working on it right now. I just wanted to put this video out so my channel could get started, and I hope you guys like it. I put some time into it, and I'm gonna be posting it as much as I can. So just keep your eyes open for my videos, and I hope you like this one, and click the like button and subscribe for me, please, and more videos will be coming out soon. Thank you so much, and here's the video.
I need to calm down. Oh my god. Oh my. Holy shit. No! Man's got a legend in the second pack! No! No, this is fake. No, I don't believe it. Ah, it's not fake! It's not fake! Holy fucking shit! About a week ago. Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho. Oh! No! What? No, the week ago pack! The week ago! Yes! That is unbelievable.
Oh, you're fucking messing! I got messy! Oh my days, Bob! Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh my days! Oh, when have I ever gone sick? Oh my days! Lord have mercy! Have mercy! Have mercy! Finally! I told you guys that I would get it. Finally! What the hell is going on? Oh my days! No fucking way! Ow!
Give me something good. Give me someone good. Come on, 100k pack, baby, 100k pack.
Holy shit!
Come on, what's it gonna be?